Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining me on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. So I found some really cool round canvases that I didn't even know I had. So we're going to give it a run today with a Radial with some nice bright vibrant colours because damn, I'm missing summer. Let's put some tunes on, Wombat. Have some fun, guys. Hope you enjoy.
I'm always expecting to hear from you, darling. I don't wanna say that I am broken hearted when I hope that you still want me. A weak holding on to hope, holding on to hope, holding on to hope. Is it me just not letting go? I need to know I'm not letting go. Love hurts, love hurts, love hurts, love hurts. You're always afraid of the rise and fall that takes place. I wish you could see I'm not scared of pain. I could sit through acid rain. I'll take your place. Love hurts. Love hurts. Love hurts. Love Oh, to say you don't want more, that would be pretending. All I know is my encore. This is not the ending, but I hit the wall that you keep. It's better in the darkness than to show that you know what I believe. Are you gonna speak or will I show? Tell me more. Take hold from me. Oh, to speak with honesty sometimes makes me shiver. But you are the sweet release. You're the patience giver. And I hit the wall that you keep. It's better in the darkness than to show that you know what I believe. Are you gonna speak or will I show? Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more.
Alrighty, well that was a lot of fun. What I'll do, I'll get Wombat to bring you in on a close-up of this one. I love the edges where the cells trail off the bold orange there. I dig when that happens with a radial. I think we've got nearly every shape cell you can get in this one. I'm pretty happy. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed too and you liked it. If you did, let me know in the comments. And that is it for me, guys. So, as always, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.